AI voice agents are here to stay, from customer call centers and translation to virtual romantic partners or education. The demand for AI voices is only going to grow, and according to some estimates, there are already 8.4 billion voice assistants online. However, not everyone is convinced. According to a voiceover agency survey, 86% of respondents found AI voices unnatural and cold. And what of the millions of voice actors whose talents will go to waste if every voice is artificially generated? We thought, let's give humans a chance to be part of this emerging voice economy, rather than bending over backwards to reverse engineer every emotional nuance of the human voice. Let's enable anyone to create their own voice dataset and own it for themselves, so it can be monetized in the AI agent ecosystem, creating an AI voice agent with real human expression. EmoRAG, or emotional RAG, is a retrieval augmented generation dataset designed to capture the essence of individual human expression in speech, so that voice owners may participate in the agentic speech economy, AI voice agents. We entered this hackathon as we were looking to explore sentiment analysis for real human speech datasets, and the criteria looked like a great opportunity to do just this. We created our own datasets of human speech phrases organized around the wheel of emotions, inspired by psychologist Robert Plutchik, and these are sorted into primary, secondary, and tertiary emotions. This was created as a vertex collection, and the edges were defined as the primary and secondary emotional nodes when creating the graph. Once we load it up, we can use the classify emotions to extract the emotion from the user input query. We will see that shortly, but before that, I've got the collection set up in ArangoDB. It's called Emotion Edges and Emotions. Here you can see the indexes as well as the content. We're using all of these client libraries to dynamically prompt the LLM and create the graph for the users with their own set of emotions. This endpoint includes the question and answer prompts, which includes a simple invoke to the Arango Graph QA chain, and specifically asks the LLM to identify first the primary emotion, then the secondary emotion, and finally the tertiary emotion, based on the text-to-speech request made in the front end, which is called NeuroSync 3.0 for now. Thanks, Claude. Here I can create a text-to-speech request from my emotional dataset. Give the LLM a moment to work its way through. And we've got a result.
I'm loving this ArangoDB thing.
Epic. All of the voice print assets are instantiated to the story protocol as NFTs. This is going to be how individual users administer and retain custody of their voice data when they lease it out to AI agents in the future. The next step for EmoRAG is to leverage more granular RAG data to do more sophisticated sentiment analysis, so we can really take advantage of the power of a structured dataset like this. And we're looking to employ GraphRAG so as to enjoy a more seamless integration with audio. We're open to feedback and can't wait to see what you think.